Hey everybody, it's Roy from Oracle12 and EpicDroid.com with a quick unboxing and first impressions video. This here just arrived. I believe it is my Google Pixel 10a. I'm excited to open it up and see what we got here. My suspicions were correct. It is my Pixel 10a. It also comes with a case here. That was a extra deal there. It was like $10 off or something, so I went ahead and picked that up just for kicks and giggles. Pixel 10a, it is the 6.3 inches, 128 gig model in the berry color. I was excited to see all the different color options. It's looked a lot more red on the webpage and in their video, so I'm hoping it's red. If it's pink, it might not be quite what I was looking for, but you know, that's what cases are for, right? There's our phone. We got warranty information and a USB-C to USB-C cable. Pretty bare bones there as far as what's in the box. Nothing super crazy there. And that is a welcome relief, and that is a beautiful red. I like that a lot. Also like how it's super flat. You can just rest that down without having to worry about bouncing around or anything. That's something I actually super miss, is a lot of the older phones had their flat backs, so you could rest them down without having anything wiggling and bouncing around underneath them. I like that a lot, actually. It's probably my favorite thing so far. Second favorite thing. That red is just awesome. I love that look. So booting it up, I mean, the first thing I notice here, aside from the red color, is that metal frame there. That feels really good in the hand. The back here is a plastic back, but it doesn't look plastic. It looks almost like the ceramic or porcelain or something there, but it feels really good. I like that look a lot. I like the feel of this. This is the kind of phone I feel like you could actually use without a case. It's got a good feel to it. Here on the bottom you have your USB-C charging port, speakers, microphones, a noise canceling mic. You have a SIM tray on this side. Power and volume buttons, nice and clicky. Everything looks great. Let's see what we got here. Get this activated. First things first, it's very clicky, very responsive. No complaints there so far. Okay, so it does ship with Android 16. I'm actually surprised how responsive and smooth this is for being a budget-friendly device. I use the term loosely because I don't feel like any device is budget-friendly anymore. But for a device that is supposed to be the more affordable option, it actually feels really snappy and really responsive. Let's see how this camera looks. Screen looks great. And that there is a digital zoom, and even with the digital zoom, there's not much loss in quality there. That looks really good. I'm excited to be able to give this thing a run through and see how it works and how it responds. You know, I really like the camera on my Pixel 10 Pro. That's my go-to right now, but I do have to say that this is a device that I would not complain about using as a primary device. Honestly, my initial impressions are fairly positive. I have no complaints so far. I really like that red. I like the look of that. That shines nice and beautiful there. That's a good looking thing. I really like that flat device. The previous Pixel, the 9a, had a slight lip to it that was a little bit across, and that's not bad. But this here, that's like perfectly flat. That's awesome, and it makes it a little bit easier to put it on your desk and not have to worry about everything getting dinged up and scratched up. None of that annoying wobble, so if you're sitting here and texting friends or typing out a long email or something, you don't have to worry about the wobble and hitting the wrong keys because of it. You know, I like this phone. I'm excited to be using it as my primary device here for the next little bit. I'm looking forward to being able to show it off. I'm looking forward to be able to using it, and looking forward to giving you guys a full review video here in the near future. And speaking of review videos, I do have a bunch of cases incoming. They're not all here yet. It was kind of a last minute decision to get this one, so I didn't have it right on release day. However, I am going to be getting a lot more cases, more than just this one, and I'm excited to be able to show those to you guys and do some review videos on all of those. If you guys have any questions about the Pixel 10a or about anything else, please feel free to leave a comment in the comment section down below and reply as soon as we're available. If you've enjoyed this video, if you want to see more like it, please remember to give us a thumbs up and to share it with your friends. And as always, just want to tell you guys thank you for watching, thank you for all your support, and you all have an awesome day.